It's an exciting time for us to come to Atlanta, to the Capitol, Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, and of course we want to promote peanuts, and March being the Peanut Month, and that's what we want to get across to all of Georgia, and that's the reason for coming up here each year at the 1st of March is because it's Peanut Month, and to promote the peanuts and the Georgia peanut farmers that farm peanuts. So it's a great day, and the legislatures, the staff here in the Capitol, they look forward to us coming each year and them eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, drinking milk, and having fried peanuts. So the aroma around the Capitol is wonderful. It smells like peanuts. It's always a great day, and we're excited to be here. And I don't know, but when we come each year, it just seems like excitement flows here in the Capitol, whether it be a group of school children coming through or their legislators coming through to get a sandwich or some peanuts to eat. So we have a big time, and we're very proud that the peanut farmers promote this. This is a promotion for them every year.
Well, Atlanta Community Food Bank is a food bank that works with over 600 partner agencies that distributes food to those in need and people dealing with issues of hunger and poverty. An agency can be a women and children's shelter, a church food pantry, a community kitchen. So we bring massive amounts of food to one place, and all 600 agencies can come and get that food from us. We have over 20% of Georgians in this state who are food insecure, which meaning they don't necessarily know where their next meal is going to come from. And we have 1 in 4 children are living at the poverty level. So a donation from Peanut Proud of over 10,000 jars of peanut butter is a huge donation and can make a huge difference for us, because even though it's 10,000 jars, it's probably 5 times that in actual meals provided. And it's a shelf-stable product. It has high nutrition, high in protein, long shelf life. It's always one of our most needed items. So we are very grateful.